Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. Hope you guys are all enjoying the extended weekend that we have here on the market. And with that being said, this video will contain our watch list for the coming week. I decided to release it here on Monday so that we do have that market open tomorrow and you guys can utilize that fully. With that being said, before I get started, if you could check out our team at SimplifiedInvesting.com. We would love to have you guys on board. Some things we offer are our daily trade alerts, our course, and also our mentoring and help to make sure that you guys are seeing the desired results that you would like from your trading. With that being said, I will get right into it. As you guys know from previous videos, what I really like to do is break down the market. What are we seeing on the market? What can we see in the market? So with that being said, breaking down SPY right now, this obviously tracks the S&P 500 index here. Really what I saw was such a stagnant week here. There was not much movement at all here on SPY. Again, you can see this consolidation here on that weekly candle last week, setting up the same that we saw on 12.7 and also here on 12.14. Not much movement here at all. We did get that high here on the new year, but now we're getting that consolidation here. Even you can go to the daily. Not much movement at all. Again, from 111 all the way up here to 114, we moved $1.50 on SPY in total. So we're getting a lot of consolidation here. I do like this hold in buyers taking control of this 375 support level. This is that level we gap through here on 1.4 and also here on 1.6, creating that new support level below. We did hold that with volume here, obviously, that you can see intraday. So that is a good sign. We have that support at 375 to watch here tomorrow. And then also that support below here at that 365 level, which will be, as we've mentioned previously, the strongest support that you do have on the daily is going to be at that 365 support below, and that next support that we could see tomorrow is that 375 level holding, which it did here on Friday. Buyers taking in this dip level here as well at that 375 level. Key level to watch tomorrow with that 380 region being the resistance above. The first play that we are watching here for the coming week is going to be RIOT. RIOT is obviously going to be a blockchain stock, so it moves with cryptocurrencies and how cryptocurrencies are doing. Again, you can see this huge run up here that we saw starting at 11.17 with that recent Bitcoin move to the upside here. We're getting that uptrend here, utilizing consolidation pullbacks and uptrends here. We get this breakdown here. We have this cup formation where we're getting this breakout here off of a 114 on the daily, and we get this handle retest here at this 2482 level support. This will be the level I'm watching here to hold in the coming week. This is the support that I want to see hold here with potential to see that 29 high again here on RIOT. Within the coming week will be a telltale sign here of how RIOT's doing. If we go out on the weekly chart here, again, you can obviously see this parabolic move to the upside here with volume. Now you wait and utilize consolidation entries and trends for that upside move here to get that best entry here. I want to see this 2482 support hold, which we did on Friday. I was watching this. We did get some level 2 stacks coming in here on the bid side at this 2482 level, which is a good sign indicating that, hey, this is a strong support that we do have here. So we have that support here and then also a resistance above here at that 2720 region. So set your guys' alerts as on Thinkorswim. It's as easy as right clicking here. And then you don't have to watch this all the time. So you can just hit create, at or above. Now when RIOT breaks that level, I will continue to watch this. Or if it breaks below the support, which we can mark at or below, now we will get an alert here. But loving this upside move here on RIOT, I want it to hold the support and push to all-time highs here at that 29.28 level here in the coming week. Second play is going to be one that sold off a lot here actually on Friday. We're getting this parabolic move, similar setup to RIOT here on Plug Power. We get that news out, that plug from Plug last week. We get this gap here that we filled all the way up here to that 60-63 level, retesting that gap support here. So when we create gaps, they create new supports, right? So we have this support here off of this gap up here, and then now that becomes our new support here after gapping up here. Let's see tomorrow if we can hold on a daily chart here at 60.87. If not, below we have that 56.13 support here. Again, you can see these random gaps up, or I shouldn't say random, these strong gaps up here on Plug. Now let's see if we can either hold this support here at the 60.87 level or below here at 56.13. This is a volatile mover here. We do get this doji reversal here with volume here on 113. Now let's see if we can hold this 60.87 level here with that potential for upside here on plug. This is more of an intraday setup here. Plug is very volatile intraday here, offering good risk to reward setups intraday, utilizing trainings that we teach and utilizing strategies that some of you guys may use already. So with that being said, plug looking good here. We are in that uptrend still here. Now let's utilize this pullback, wait for that either consolidation or a break above here at the 64.73 level for that potential upside here on plug. The next one that's been seeing a lot of volume recently, BlackBerry. This one is another mover here that we saw. We get this gap up here off of 1130, and then basically a consolidation of slight lower lows, into this parabolic move here starting on 114 and 115. Again, for those of you that are part of the group or those of you that aren't, follow the volume. That's our biggest thing that we preach. That's the biggest thing that we tell. We're finally breaking out of this 923 level here. Sellers really taking control of this $11 price region here. Watching this one that we did on Friday. Lots of sellers and stacks on the ask side taking this $11 level. Closing all the way at 984 here. We are dropping some here after hours. So again, the key here is, can we hold this 923 level here, which is this gap level where we broke out off of that 114 base formation, breaking out here. Let's hold this level here at 923 and see tomorrow if we can hold this level. That will be key to watch. Again, we are about 30 cents off here on BlackBerry. That's a good risk to reward if we can hold that and see buyers taking this dip. If we get that dip on Tuesday's open, taking this level here and playing BlackBerry here. This is more of one that will also be an intraday setup here. It is getting overextended here. However, it still presents good opportunities intraday here on BlackBerry, especially utilizing the trainings that we teach and the volatility that we've seen. It's great for scalping this, as you can get those moves that you are willing to see within the day instead of having to hold with that theta decay overnight. Fourth play, one that we've actually played a couple times last week, is going to be GME. Before you play GME, one thing to take into consideration is going to be those inflated premiums. On GME, you're seeing implied volatility over 200%. With that being said, please do not, if you are playing GME with your own strategies or own techniques, take into consideration that implied volatility being so high. Basically, what that means is it takes a lot greater of a move in GME to see those option contracts move because the market knows that it is going to be volatile. With that being said, we do get this move up here. We get this strength actually on 113, also carrying forward on 114. Very volatile move here on GME. Really what I'm watching is to see if we can hold this 3309 support and break above that 4089 level here intraday tomorrow. This is a very fast mover intraday, but again, these set up great for intraday scalp opportunities where you don't have to hold overnight and face that theta decay, especially on weekly option contracts. That being said, this is more of also an intraday setup here. I want this over 40.89, which is going to be that high here that we saw on Friday. Lots of sellers again at this level, 40.90, 41 region here. We're getting lighter volume here on this consolidation pullback here. Let's see if we can maintain that 33 support level or break above that 40.90 region. This is what I will be watching particularly on GME. Obviously, if we go out on the weekly, parabolic move here, we're getting this uptrend starting off of 831, utilizing consolidation pullbacks and uptrends here, ABCD pattern, parabolic strength to the upside with huge volume, trading over 300 million shares here on the week. Huge abnormal amount of volume here on GME, so let's take advantage of this within the coming week. Over 40.89 is going to be key, and also over 43.06 intraday for scalp opportunities depending on volume, strength, and level 2 as well. However, looking good here will be one that we are going to be watching here within the coming week. Last one is going to be ACB. All of these weed stocks here in the past week have seen a nice move to the upside here. Another one is going to be like CGC. A lot of these will follow in sync here as the whole industry will move as one. We are getting this move here. I like this that we are holding that 1204 level here. Was watching this intraday here. We are getting a sell-off here after market here on Friday that we saw. However, liking this cup formation here, I want to see a retest of this 1154 support and then further upside here on ACB. Liking this uptrend move here. Now let's see if we can get strength and confirmation over this $13.38 level with potential to see that $15 region here once we do confirm this level here. We are getting that move here. We get this gap up off of 1.5 here. We get this cup handle formation with that 11.54 support, and higher highs within this next daily candle will be a key over that 13.38 region, making those higher highs, taking control of this pullback here on Friday with potential to see that $15 region is what we are going to be watching here on ACB. With that being said, that wraps up our watch list. If you enjoyed this video, if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you are watching any other tickers that you'd like to comment down below, we would enjoy to see what you guys are watching. With that being said, hope you have a great weekend, extended weekend here on the market, and look forward to trading with all the members here on the team tomorrow. For those of you that aren't part of the team, I'm wishing you the best of your luck on your trading tomorrow. Thank you.